The atmosphere was electric at the Brabourne Stadium. It was a clash of the titans, the Mumbai Indians taking on the Sunrisers Hyderabad. The Mumbai Indians, with their rich history, were looking to climb the points table. The Sunrisers Hyderabad, on the other hand, were desperate for a win to stay alive in the tournament. Both teams boasted of some incredible talent. Rohit Sharma's captaincy and experience were vital for Mumbai. The Sunrisers were banking on their young guns to fire. Fans were on the edge of their seats, anticipating a cracker of a match. The stage was set for a thrilling encounter. As the players took the field, the energy was palpable. The roar of the crowd was deafening. It was time for bat to meet ball in this high-stakes encounter. Mumbai Indians won the toss and chose to field first, a decision that paid off immediately. Trent Boult, Mumbai's fiery pace spearhead, was on fire right from the word go. He steamed in and sent the SRH top order packing in a flash. Wickets tumbled like dominoes. The Sunrisers found themselves reeling at 23 for 3 in the power play. Deepak Chahar, Mumbai's wily pacer, joined the party with his signature swing and accuracy. He picked up 2 crucial wickets, adding to SRH's woes. The Sunrisers were in deep trouble, struggling to cope with the relentless pressure from Mumbai's bowlers. Just when it seemed like SRH were down and out, Heinrich Klaasen and Abhinav Manohar came to their rescue. Klaasen, known for his aggressive batting, started counter-attacking. He took on the Mumbai bowlers, smashing them to all corners of the ground. Manohar played the perfect second fiddle, rotating the strike and giving Klaasen the strike. Their partnership brought the Sunrisers back into the game. They stitched together a crucial 87-run stand for the 5th wicket. It was a valiant effort from the duo, giving their team some hope after a disastrous start. Despite Klaasen and Manohar's heroics, Mumbai Indians didn't panic. They stuck to their plans and kept chipping away at the wickets. Bumrah and Chahar were brought back into the attack to stem the flow of runs. The Mumbai bowlers bowled with discipline and precision, drying up the boundaries. They managed to break the dangerous partnership, dismissing Klaasen for a well-made 71. In the end, SRH could only manage a modest total of 143 for 8 in their allotted 20 overs. Mumbai Indians, despite the late onslaught, would have been happy with their bowling effort. They had restricted SRH to a chaseable total. Section 5, Rohit Sharma leads the charge, a captain's innings. Chasing 144 for victory, Mumbai Indians got off to a flying start. Rohit Sharma, their captain, led the charge with a blistering innings. He looked in sublime touch right from the word go. He played some exquisite strokes all around the ground, dispatching the SRH bowlers with ease. His timing was impeccable, and his placement was precise. Rohit's half-century came up in no time, and he looked set for a big one. He combined with Ishan Kishan for a quick-fire opening partnership, setting the platform for an easy chase. After Rohit's departure, Surya Kumar Yadav joined the party. He continued the momentum, taking the attack to the SRH bowlers. His innovative stroke play was on full display. Surya played some outrageous shots, leaving the fielders and the crowd stunned. He raced away to a quick-fire 40, hitting 5 fours and 2 sixes in the process. His partnership with Tilak Varma, who played a mature innings, took Mumbai Indians closer to the finish line. In the end, Mumbai Indians chased down the target comfortably in the 16th over, winning the match by 7 wickets. In the midst of the run chase, there was a moment that truly captured the spirit of the game. Ishan Kishan, Mumbai's young wicket-keeper batsman, displayed exemplary sportsmanship. He edged a delivery from Bhuvneshwar Kumar, and the umpire signalled a wide. However, Kishan knew he had nicked it and walked off voluntarily, even though the umpire's decision was in his favour. His gesture was lauded by everyone present, a testament to his integrity and the true spirit of cricket. It was a moment that transcended the game itself. The win propelled Mumbai Indians to the 3rd spot in the points table. They now had 6 wins from 8 matches, putting themselves in a strong position to qualify for the playoffs. Their net run rate also received a healthy boost. On the other hand, The loss was a major setback for Sunrisers Hyderabad. They remained languishing at the bottom half of the table, their hopes of making it to the playoffs fading away with each passing game. The victory underlined Mumbai's dominance in the tournament. They were looking like strong contenders for the title once again. Mumbai Indians' victory over Sunrisers Hyderabad was a comprehensive one. It was a display of their all-round prowess. Their bowling was top-notch, their batting was ruthless, and their fielding was electric. The win gave them a lot of confidence going into the business end of the tournament. They had momentum on their side, and they were looking like the team to beat. The Mumbai Indians would be looking to carry this winning momentum into their remaining matches and make a strong push for the IPL title.